Tell them what we're doing.
We're cooking cake and dumplings.
Right, and banana.
I'm gonna show you how to make dumplings. First, you have.
Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night.
Hi guys.
Bye. Good morning, Faves. Where are we going?
To park thing.
Yeah, it's the last day of vacation, right?
Yes, and then it's school time.
Right, school time tomorrow. So we enjoying the last day. And we're out early. It's almost 9:30 a.m. and we're going on an early adventure this morning because we take Tyler to this place last year, but we went in the afternoon and he almost missed out on all the fun.
I went in this with my friend and met yesterday.
Not yesterday, a long time ago. And Tyler also went to this park with his school. So we're taking him there early also because the weather is gonna change today and it should rain later in the afternoon. And we also need a little extra rest because we are still tired, we are still exhausted from all this traveling and having fun, but that's okay. We're gonna come home and rest later, hopefully, before everybody head back to work and school and stuff like that. So that's what we're doing today. Tyler should be going probably a little egg hunt, a little bounce about and stuff like that. But let's go and see what they have to offer today and see how much fun Tyler is gonna have. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, enjoy the rest of today's vlog. We love you guys and we'll see you guys in a bit. What do you want to say to the Faves?
That at Park Phoenix there is kangaroo.
There's kangaroo. You gonna show them?
Yeah.
All right. So see you guys later.
Bye.
So we're in. What we're gonna do now? You're gonna do this one, right? And then we do this one. We didn't do this one last year. We're gonna go straight to this one after, okay? So we're gonna do the egg hunt first, then we're gonna go do the plant, and then you can go do this one, okay? All right, so he's gonna go egg hunting in here. Last year this was the last one we did and he almost didn't get any eggs. So this time around, when you go in there and they give you your basket, you to search and pick up a lot of egg and put in the basket, okay? Okay?
What was it? Says what?
Ella got his basket. Let me see your basket, Pumpkin. Let me see your basket. Oh, ready? All right. Go, Pumpkin. Go pick up eggs. Go on. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Get up. Take your time. Go, go, go. Look over there. Ty, over there. Look! He put more here. Look, take them. All of them. Whoa, Ty, look behind you.
Quand il est rempli, mon gars, tu viens voir.
Whoa, Ty, look there. He just threw some more over there. First adventure of the day.
Viens, mon amour. Viens voir.
Wow.
Relève tes lunettes. Ça rentre plus, chérie. C'est bon. Relève tes lunettes, chérie. Attends, relève tes lunettes. Je vais prendre une photo avec les paniers à l'intérieur de la paille.
Full it, Ty, full it.
Regarde-moi.
Tyler, look at Mama. Look, turn around. Ty, smile. Ty, smile. Yay. Okay, you can come now, Pumpkin.
Yes, I'm not.
Yay. Yay. Good job. He's gonna get his chocolate. You say Messi? Yay! Whoa. Okay. We're passing the fountain because we're trying to go to the plant place before it gets too full. Oui, ça va. Hein? It closed. Okay. I can't see him. Look at TV. You're bouncing. Look at him. Be careful. Take your time. And you're gonna take it home and you're gonna take care of it each day, okay? Right. So Tyler gonna get to make his own plant here. It should be cool.
There's two things, this one and this one. This one. No.
It's this one. It's this one. It's the bottom one. It's one similar to what I plant at home. And these flowers don't die easily. And they become big. Go, Ty. Go, baby. Give him your paper, Ty.
Bonjour.
Tu dis bonjour? Speak up, baby.
Go.
Give it to Mama. Écoute.
Regarde, mets-toi ici. Avec la main, tu remplis, tu mets à peu près la moitié la moitié de terrain. Tu mets dedans. Voilà.
Voilà. Put it in a pan.
Voilà. Très bien.
Good
Tu as assez
time.
placé sur les côtés. Tu vois, il faut en mettre un petit peu plus. Tu vois, sinon il va en manquer.
Full it, Ty. Full it.
No, half.
Half?
Un petit peu.
Ok.
Un petit peu.
Ok. Stop.
bon,
Stop,
c'est bon.
Ty. Stop.
C'est bon, la moitié comme ça.
À moitié.
On met la petite plante.
Ajoute encore un petit peu. Mets-le bien au-dessus.
Ty making his own flowers to take
autour.
care.
Tout le long.
Take
Tu
care.
mets la terre tout autour, d'accord?
Allez.
Vas-y, tasse maintenant.
It's so cute.
Voilà, demande si
I
c'est
love
bon.
Thai.
Comme
Full your
ça.
hands. Right.
Demande si c'est bon, monsieur.
Je pense que ça a l'air très bien.
Tu peux utiliser les deux mains
Impeccable.
si tu veux, si
Bravo.
c'est plus facile.
Attends, je te rajoute un petit peu là, parce qu'on passe un petit peu plus. Ah, il faut pas qu'il t'en manque, tu
He's
vois.
getting his own little plant to take home.
Voilà, impeccable.
Careful the plants, careful the plant.
Voilà. Tu appuies, d'accord? Comme ça fait bien.
Très bien.
Avec un peu encore. Un peu encore ici.
Derrière. Et appuyez.
Allez, tu appuies, d'accord? Allez, appuie. Appuie. Voilà. Allez, remets encore un peu la terre. Et ça, au soleil.
Ça peut être bien au soleil, en tout cas ça aime bien l'extérieur.
Continue, Thai.
Voilà.
Continue.
Vous pouvez laisser au soleil ça sèche vite, il faut arroser plus souvent, mais c'est une plante qui aime le soleil. Si vous faites le
Not
soleil,
on
ça va
the
vite
plant,
pousser,
in
vite
the
fleurir.
pan.
C'est pas très très grand, mais ça fait plein de jolies fleurs, c'est les œillets, vous voyez, comme sur le...
Et arroser 2 fois par semaine, sauf si c'est sec.
Voilà, exactement. Et ça devrait bien pousser. Attention de ne pas trop mettre sur la plante, tu vois, plutôt autour. Très bien.
D'accord? Autour, comme ça se passe là. La plante elle va pousser. Il va falloir maintenant que tu mettes de l'eau dans la plante 2 fois dans la semaine. D'accord? Bon,
Yay!
tu dis merci.
Alright, come. Take it, it's yours. I'm gonna clean your hand after.
Voilà.
Go over there. I'm gonna clean it. Au revoir. Come here. Come. You like your plant? So guess what? Now you have your own plant to water at home and to take care of, okay? It's gonna be your responsibility, okay? Very good, baby. Give me wipes from the bag. Let me clean his hand. Flamingos. And fishes. Dead? Where?
Oh, it's a big leaf.
Yes, it is a big leaf. Go, Ty, go. This boy love animals. See the turtles in here. Go. The turtles here. They're all the way over there. Where? You find him? One. Whoa.
You don't want to
Yeah.
massage the crocodile. Honey, the crocodile is cute.
Tyler's excitement when he see the ones he loves. Yes. Where? Wait, come, let's walk this way. Like I've been here before, you know? Come, pumpkin. Slow down. My skin running cold. Tyler, you see him? Oh,
There are 2.
there's two iguana Ty.
Le orange et à côté il y a un bleu.
Oh my
bleu
gosh.
marron. Regarde, tu vois ici.
Go around the other window, Ty. Go to the other window. Oh my gosh.
Ouais.
Oh
Ah, et il y a
my
les
gosh.
tortues, tu vois les tortues rouges, il y a 3 tortues.
Why he blocked our way? Why he?
Vois-tu les tortues là? Vois-tu les tortues?
right, it's time to go home. Come on, let's go. Was a good day. Let Papa take you out. Okay, you guys, so we are back from Tyler Little Egg Hunt and all his adventure this morning, and now we're back home and going to do our little home egg hunt. I had bought this pack of egg for him and he's so excited to go and search for them. So I'm in our garden outside and I'm going to hide them so he can search for them, and he's so excited. So let's do this. All his eggs. Let's see if he's gonna find them when he comes. You guys, I'm so tired. Oh my gosh, I've never felt this tired in all my life. I am so tired. Jeez. And here he comes. He's coming with his basket. Look at it. You're excited? Alright, start hunting. Let's see what you find. Go on, start. Look, they're everywhere. From over the corner there, come all the way around.
1, 2, 3.
I hope he don't step on them. Oh Lord, he missed some.
How much?
About 20. They're everywhere. You have to look everywhere, okay? Come back. Come back down here. Up there's dangerous. Come.
Allez, regarde bien. Allez. Regarde bien. Va à côté des arbres, va de partout.
Go that way.
Allez, vas-y, regarde.
Look beside all the trees.
Allez, regarde.
Go.
Fais le tour de l'arbre, fais le tour de l'arbre et regarde partout. Quand c'est fini, tu avances. C'est bon? Allez, continue là.
Go, come this way. Come on, that way. Go take up my phone from off the chair. Go, Joe. Go. Go. Go that way. Look in that tree. Look in this tree here. Take your time, cause there's marker on it. It hurts. There. Bravo. Go that way. Go down the steps that way. Take your time. Oh, good job. All right. No. Turn right. Turn right. And look properly. Yay! Good job. Look again at all the trees, okay? No. You look at this tree already? Maybe that's it. Check. Okay, let's go count and. Ooh, look at you. Count them.
Regarde papa. Non, regarde papa tout à l'heure.
Look at papa.
C'est quelque chose de la bouche là.
You had fun? Alright, let's go inside. Talk to face, guys. Tell them what we're doing.
We're cooking cake and dumplings.
Right, and banana.
I'm gonna show you how to make dumplings. First you have to roll it, and then you have to press it.
Good job. He loves making dumpling with me, and I'm making dinner. So of course he's beside me in the kitchen. We're making stewed chicken. We're making dumpling and banana. Okay, the last one is here for you. And we're making some white rice, and we're making, what's in the oven? What we put in the oven?
Cake.
Exactly. So dinner is on its way, you guys. And it's my last 2 bananas. So, supermarket have to go tomorrow, which we plan on doing.
And then we're gonna buy banana.
Right, we're gonna buy more bananas. We're out of ripe bananas, which Mom have been loving lately. We're out of green bananas.
I like yellow bananas because I don't like green bananas.
Exactly, because green banana make you.
Yeah.
Right, green banana make you cack. Alright, press that one and give it to me. Good job! Right, well, look at Tyler dumpling, y'all. Hey, hey, hey. So Mama will put all your dumplings in your plate, okay? High five. Good job, my partner. Alright, we finished now. Now we just have to wait for everything to finish cooking.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Bravo. Bravo! Anyway, you guys, I just finished filming a huge unboxing. A huge unboxing baby clothes haul from Pat, which you guys can't miss. So you guys have to subscribe. You guys have to subscribe if it's your first time to our channel, and don't miss out on that huge unboxing that's coming. Okay, that's huge baby girl haul that's coming. Anyway, I'm in the kitchen cooking dinner with my babies. One baby here and one baby here. One baby here, one baby here, one baby here, one baby here.
Mama baby.
You're mama baby. You're mama baby.
One baby here, one baby here.
Yeah, and who is the big baby?
Me.
And who is the little baby? Yeah.
I'm big.
Your mama big baby.
Oh, and that's me.
So you're measuring?
I'm
Alright, go, let me see you.
I'm also big.
You're almost big.
Yeah.
You are big.
Yeah.
Not yet.
I think I like you.
You have to be big like me.
Yeah.
Which means you have to eat all of your vegetables.
But make sure you wash your veggies. Make sure you wash your veggies.
wash your vegetable?
Yeah.
I always make sure I wash my vegetable.
And the vegetable too. If you don't wash it, you're gonna be sick.
You can't see the camera, that's how you're jumping.
Yeah.
So if you want to talk to them, you stand on your step. Ah, there you go. Okay, you guys, so that's dinner. This banana has been in the fridge, and this mama ain't gonna waste it. So you have one white banana and one brown banana. But anyway, you get the concept. That's dinner, and that's for babe. And Ty is already eating. All right, honey, let's go.
Hi guys, well, we're back and it's time to end the vlog, but we're gonna give you a French and a Jamaican expression. You want to know what is the French expression, right?
Okay.
This is specially for you. The French expression for tonight is il n'y a pas de lézard.
Okay.
Simply means there's no lizard. Lizard is babe's favorite animal, so yeah, this is for you.
He means that in the opposite way.
So simply means there's no problem. So if you say if somebody say, for example, I'm still looking for the lizard, mean like I'm still looking for the problem. Like you buy some things but it's cheap.
Got you.
He's looking for the problem.
Got you.
Say it.
Il n'y a pas de lézard.
Lézard. Right.
Alright, anyway guys, the Jamaican expression for today is every mickle make a muckle. Simple means every bit counts. If you have $1, get a next $1 and put on it, and get more $1 and put on it until it reach $100. Get it? Every mickle make a muckle. Every bit counts.
Every mickle make a muckle.
Yes. Alright you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. Get it?
Make sure you get it.
Tyler's off to bed because he's back to school tomorrow, so you guys won't see Tyler until in the next vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family of Ketchup and Keep Up, and we'll see you guys